So guys, what is in this box? Watch video till the end. So hello everyone, today is a very special day because I am received my official Google Student Ambassador Program kit from Google team and I am super excited to unbox it with you all. So let's open together. So here is the parcel. So unbox it. Wow, the package looks amazing and very premium. So how to open this? I don't know, like this. Inside the box, I can see the some awesome goodies from the Google. Like this is the hat and stay side. Then this is the kitchens like Google Gemini. Then three are there. So then there are the stickers, some stickers, and here is the Hello Ambassador. Congratulations to welcome on board. Like this letter from the Google. So stay side. So here is the t-shirt from Google like this. So open it. This is the cardboard. So side. Then here is the t-shirt. This is the back side of the t-shirt. Google Student Ambassador 2026. And here is the front side. In the front side there is a logo of this program. And cloth is a very good quality cloth. So here is the size. Then I want to wear it because this is the very proud moment for me. So I'm wearing this in the last in this video. So stay tuned. Here is one is a t-shirt, then stickers, then letter, then kitchens and hat. So I'm wearing this kit. So stay in this video till the end. Here I am wear the t-shirt and look like this. This is the front side and also this is the back side. And one remaining. Here is the hat and also I'm wearing this hat. Here is the print of Google Student Ambassador 2026. That's me. If you are enjoying this unboxing video, so do not forget about like, comment and share, and also subscribe my YouTube channel. So see you in next video. Thank you.